If you're considering to automate your dosing for your reef tank or recently came across Reef Factory's latest dosing pump and wonder what its capabilities are, stay tuned because I'm going to cover the unboxing, setup, and how it can complement to your KH Keeper. Welcome to JZ Reefs, where reefing's made easy for reefers by reefer. I'm JZ. If you are new to reefing or always wanted to start a new tank or improve your current reef tank, then do subscribe because I will be sharing from my personal experience on trials and errors made, gadget unboxing, setup, and even DIY tips so that you can save time, money, and make your reefing more enjoyable. After my last KH Keeper video, I decided to buy the dosing pump for personal testing and to share with you guys. I also replaced my hose holder to combine my big tree and my KH Keeper hose. Design a dosing pump rack for my alu frame. That's my update for this week. Let's get started. The same concept as the KH Keeper. There's no much of an instruction menu. We have to scan the QR code and access the menu online. The power adapter is a 2-pin plug with no spare adapters like the KH Keeper. Here's the reset magnet, similar to the KH Keeper. I think this is what it will look like if I attach to my aluminum frame. That's all for unboxing. Let's go set it up. I'm using a mobile to set it up this round to show how easy it is this time. But essentially the setup on a PC is of the same process. All we need to do is to connect to the Wi-Fi access point of the dosing pump. Once done, you'll be able to see the dosing pump in your Smart Reef app. Also, a new action feature that's available for us to play with. Now we just need to assign it to our tank. Once done, we can also see a summary on our dashboard. Now let's see what they have here. We have a configure the dosing, a backup feature which export the file into a JSON file, and a summary that provides a dosing trend for us to refer to. Let's start configuring the dosing. We can try to use a total amount per day divided by the number of times to dose, followed by the time to start with. And we can see it auto spreads the amount. That sets the base and we can edit. For experts, we can configure individual dose by ourselves that suits best our tank. One thing that I don't like here is that when we set a new dosing, it always starts with 1 ml and not taking reference to our previous entered value. Let's check out the action features. This not only work with our KH Keeper but also existing Reef Factory devices and upcoming products such as the power switcher. Do let me know in the comments on what do you think about this feature compared to existing products such as the Alcatronic. Let's start with what I like first. The compact size of the dosing pump is amazing, and the magnetic reset kind of concept, awesome. Another thing that some might find it redundant will be the dosing trend, but for me personally, I would like to see what was dosed and whether there was additional dosing due to my KH parameter dropping or being too high. The ability to use it as a normal dosing pump, basically for my alkalinity, and also as an automated dosing correction for my KH Keeper, that is a sure plus. However, I'm not sure if this would be applicable for those that do not have a KH Keeper. Do let me know in the comments section, would you purchase this a single head dosing pump for your dosing needs if you do not have a KH Keeper? Now let's move on to what I don't like. At $180 Singapore dollars available locally, the cost can really stack up if you need more than one dosing pump. So imagine you will have 3 dosing pumps just to dose the big 3, the cost can really stack up. And at $180, The minimum I would have expected a measuring cylinder. Some good to have would be the power adapter clips that come with the cage keeper, which seems to be missing from the dosing pump. Another good to have feature would be for the software to recognize the last entered value and not start at 1 ml for the ease of configuration. That's all I have for you today. Do let me know in the comment section or drop me a message on what would you like to see next, and I'll try my best to get it done for everyone. If this video have helped you in any way possible, please feel free to like, subscribe and share the video.